Hello everyone. Today, like always, your maths tutor, Maths eduSTUFF, is ready to share with you the topic titled Quadratic Equation by Formula Method. In this short video, you are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation by formula method. This formula, x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a, commonly called general formula. It is called general formula as it is the most general method of solving quadratic equation, even quadratic equation that cannot be solved by other methods. However, inasmuch as the quadratic formula solves all quadratic equations, care should be taken in writing the formula correctly, substituting and evaluating correctly in order to avoid mistakes, because calculations that arises using this formula can sometimes be complicated. Now suppose I'm given the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals to 0, and I want to use the formula method to find the root of the equation. The next thing here is it is very important for me to be able to recall the general equation that says ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are constant terms, and a is not equals to 0. Why are we recalling this? Because it is very important. When you look at the formula, you find that there are a, b, c in the formula. So it is very important for you to be able to recall this general term of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c for easy comparison. Not only for easy comparison, for easy substitution, because when you come to substitute and you fail to recall the first term, the second term, the third term, it will be very difficult for you to be able to make a successful substitution. So that is that. So the next thing here is to compare my equation, that's the given equation, and the general term. Here you have a, b, c as the constants, which implies, since they are the representatives of the numbers in the equation given, a represents 2, b represents -3, c represents -5. So to make it clear, my a is equals to 2, my b is equals to -3. -3, not only 3, because the sign goes with the number immediately after it. Therefore, b is -3, and also c is -5. The negative sign goes with the constant 5. So the next thing here is to substitute. The root of the equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is defined by x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is the uh, general equation, general formula for quadratic equation. So my b here is -3, so I will have negative, then -3. The first negative was with the formula, the second negative with my number. So -3 plus or minus the square root of b. What is b? -3. So you have -3 square minus 4 times, what is a? A is 2. So times 2 times What is c? My c is -5, so -5 altogether, all over 2 times a. And what is a? A is 2. 2 times 2. So can you see? Negative times negative will give you positive. Therefore, here you end up getting 3. 3 plus or minus the square root of, square root of 3 square. Negative 3 square is 9. Minus times minus, there you got plus. 4 times 5 you got 20. 20 times 2 you got 40. Therefore you got 40. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore you have 4. So simplifying further, here you got 3 plus or minus square root of 49 divided by 4. Simplifying further, you got 3 plus or minus square root of 49, which is 7 all over 4. Okay, therefore the root of x is either 3. You will begin with the negative sign. Here you have two combination, plus or minus, so you begin with minus. 3 minus 7 all over 4, which is equals to 3 minus 7, which is equals to minus 4 divided by 4. 4 into 4, -1. Or you are saying, or since you have two different or two distinct roots of x, or x equals to 3 plus 7 all over 4, which is equals to 10 all over 4, which is equals to 2 here, 2 here, 5 over 2. Therefore, conclusively, the root of x, the root of the equation, 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equals to 0 is either -1 or 5 all over 2, which is the solution of the equation. Thank you very much.